Navigating conflicts as a university student can be challenging, but Alternative Dispute Resolution (ADR) offers a valuable approach to resolve disputes constructively. In this video, we will explore ADR, its importance, and how it can empower you to address and resolve conflicts effectively. ADR is a process that provides alternatives to traditional litigation and campus-based discipline, prioritizing communication and collaboration to find mutually acceptable solutions, often towards a restorative justice outcome. ADR offers students the opportunity to address conflicts constructively, learn valuable communication skills, and preserve relationships, their on-campus housing and enrollment at the university. Conflicts are a natural part of life, and recognizing them early is crucial for effective resolution. If you are curious about the varied nature of conflicts, stream your favorite series or movie, read literature including from various cultures, and ask your classmates about their experiences of conflicts. Having a reservoir of conflict recognition will allow you to mitigate conflicts before they cause you too great a disservice. Common conflicts in university settings include misunderstandings, miscommunication, roommate disputes, and differences in academic or extracurricular activities. They also include overstepping the bond of consent and borrowing, cohabitation and intimate relationships like dating and long-term relationships. A clear affirmative answer, ideally, yes, especially when in writing, is the key to clarity in your high peer pressure environment. These methods involve a neutral third party to assist in finding a resolution. The third party might utilize mediation, which encourages the parties to reach an agreement they can all live with and will likely hold, or arbitration, which is led by the third party and binds the parties to a strict contract with negative outcome for violation, including financial obligation, and finally conciliation, often engaged by friends and peers, where individuals talk about their experience and agree to reach peace without necessarily agreeing to compensation or remedy. Consider the specific situation and preferences when choosing the most appropriate method. Let's explore each method in more detail, with role-playing examples and real-world scenarios. Through role-playing exercises, we'll illustrate how each method can be applied to address common conflicts. Real-world examples of ADR in action demonstrate its effectiveness in resolving student conflicts. As a student leader, you have a unique opportunity to apply ADR in your role. Resident assistants and graduate assistants often face complex conflicts and have a responsibility to maintain a positive living and learning environment. These tips will guide you in effectively resolving disputes as a student leader. Strong communication is the backbone of successful ADR. Active listening, empathy, and non-verbal cues are essential for effective communication in conflict resolution. Learn techniques for effective communication in conflict resolution, such as using I statements and avoiding accusatory language. Maintaining impartiality, confidentiality, and avoiding power imbalances are essential ethical principles in ADR. Understanding cultural differences and avoiding assumptions can help prevent bias and create a fair environment for dispute resolution. Creating a conducive environment that encourages open communication and trust is essential for effective ADR. Avoid common pitfalls such as rushing the process or ignoring underlying issues to ensure successful ADR outcomes. ADR is a valuable tool for resolving conflicts constructively.